How to fix cannot connect TapSwap to Solana wallet. Now this is the problem that many people are facing nowadays. Now there are many reasons that can cause this particular issue, which is X2 feature. Now this is the feature that not everybody has right now. If you have that particular feature, you will be able to connect your wallet like Solana wallet or Ton wallet to your TapSwap. Now if you don't have the X2 feature right with your particular coins where you are counting your coins, now that means either it's a worldwide issue or the feature is not rolling out in your country. Now if the feature is not available in your country, it might be the main reason. Second reason can be temporary glitches and network issues. Sometimes network connectivity problem can cause features to not load properly, and apps can sometimes experience temporary glitches that may hide certain feature. So you need to make sure to keep these points in mind, and at the end you need to make sure to have the latest version of Telegram onto your mobile device. So these are the few things that you need to keep in mind before contacting support. At the end, I recommend you to contact the support for further assistance. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix cannot connect TapSwap to Solana wallet.